Hello, my superstars. Welcome back to my channel, Color Book. Let's play a quick guessing game. Who has big round ears and a big happy smile? You got it. It's Mickey Mouse. Let's draw his happy face together. First, draw Mickey's two big round ears. Draw the outer shape of Mickey's face. Next, draw inner part of the face. This is the light colored face area. Now, draw Mickey's big cheeks. After that, draw the chin to complete the face shape. I am going to draw the eye section at the top of face. Draw both eyes carefully. Now draw nose in the middle. Let's draw Mickey's happy smiling mouth. Draw the tongue inside the mouth. Give the whole drawing a nice, beautiful outline. I am using peach color to color the inner part of Mickey's face. Outline Mickey's tongue with red color to make it look bright, shiny and beautiful. Color the middle part of the tongue with pink, using pink color for the mouth too. Now color the eyes with pink. Color Mickey's ears and the outer face with black color. Color the nose with black color as well. Our cute Mickey Mouse face drawing is ready. You did an awesome job today, and I hope you had lots of fun drawing with me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with more easy and learning drawing videos. Bye bye.